Warren Holmes-Chatfield from Barcham Trees. Now, Barcham Trees are, I was going to say they're East Anglian, but
We are East
you
Anglian.
are, aren't you?
Yeah, we are. We're just south of Ely.
Just south of Ely.
Yeah.
Now, you've been around 30 odd years?
Over 30 years, yeah.
Quite impressive.
Yeah.
What made somebody start growing trees and selling them here?
I think originally it started off as a landscaping business when there was a lot of grant funding around for the local authority and for Forestry Commission. And then they was just looking to improve the quality of the trees. So then they started growing our own stock and using the white bags, the containerised process, which is unique to us. So it allows light into the bag and the trees grow away from the light, and we get this very fibrous root system produced. So it just increases the longevity of the product in the bag.
So the same principle really as an airport?
Yeah, same principle, yeah. But it just gives us that little extra time and less root wrapping. But obviously after time you will get that, but it just increases the shelf life.
And do you know what's interesting you said there? That your origins were that the tree quality used to be not as good as it is today.
Yes,
and it was
absolutely.
Pretty poor, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, yeah. And I think nursery standards have improved, technology's improved, and now, we can grow a better product. There's a greater range, better propagation. So lots of factors have contributed to it, to the quality.
And the sizes all vary, don't they? I mean,
yeah.
you can buy pretty well any size of
any
tree
size,
you like.
right from 2 metres up to 7 metres, yeah.
And you've got some big stuff here. I mean, we've got an Acer here, haven't we, behind us?
Yeah, that's Acer Fairview, Platanoides Fairview. So, yeah, big, strong grower, nice colour, real, good large specimen in a 200, 150 litre bag.
Now, just looking at that, okay, it's £440, but how long has that taken to grow?
So that'll be about sort of 15 years old.
People don't realise that, do
No,
they?
there's a lot of time goes into it, yeah. A lot of time and a lot of work to get it to that sort of level.
Birches as normal, very popular?
Yeah, always popular, different types. We've got Jack Montii, which is the Himalayan birch, and then we've got Albicinensis fascination, which is the Chinese birch. So different bark types, but always have been very popular, and Jack Montii has been, really very popular for many years.
Still is.
Still is, along with Pyrus Chanticleer, which is probably one of our top selling trees. But
really?
So.
Is that Cryptomeria?
Yes, this is Cryptomeria.
Again, you don't often see them that high,
no,
do you?
you don't. And lovely autumn bronzing in the autumn. So you've got that contrasting colour. So that's really nice. Ilex castanifolia, another nice one. Super evergreen, real lovely leaf colour on there. So that's a good substitute if you want an evergreen tree. And then also, which is becoming more and more popular, pleached Photinia.
Small gardens are coming in.
Small gardens, so we do a lot of pleached and pom-pom type material. So we do Ligustrum japonica, which is fits above the fence line and creates an instant screen at height. Or you can go for the pleached format like we see here, which is Photinia red robin. So you've got the flower, and you've also got the red tinges of the new growth showing through. And as gardens have become sort of smaller, and the privacy issues are becoming more and more, so these type of form trees are becoming more and more important.